Right then, I could do with a shower. This is where I camped last night on this park, as you can see. Not a bad little spot actually. I'm going to start by showing you a little monkey up there. Can you see it? He's scoping me out. Yeah, there's quite a few monkeys around here. Yeah, today, bikepacking Nepal, that's what we're going to be doing. So, I'm just going to start the day off, get some brekkie, and then we'll get shifting. One thing about this park, right? Look at this. This old bad boy here actually works. Got it charging my power bank all night. Absolutely buzzing with that. Yesterday I did a 26-kilometre detour just to get some porridge, but I found some Haribos as well while I was there, so I was buzzing. Look at my stove and its last legs here. Jesus, it's terrible. I'm hoping that I can get the maintenance kit brought out to Kathmandu before we do base camp. And then I can repair it. Right, we're off. So, one thing that you might not have noticed, well, you definitely won't notice because it was a new addition in Delhi. I've got this new front box. Look at this bad boy. Makes it so much easier. I've got my Garmin in there, which is probably a bit more annoying actually. But it makes it so much easier to just open, close, keep anything important in there, money, wallet, EpiPen, Kindle, passport, GoPro. Because before, when I was like filming, I had to keep my GoPro in one of them. It was so annoying. So, yeah, makes it a bit easier for the filming side. But here we are, this is Nepal. As you can see, it's coming down the road. Yeah. One of the things that is slightly concerning is these signs here, which are bloody everywhere. I'll try and zoom in. But basically, telling you that tigers are crossing the road. I'm not that fussed about elephants or rhinos, I think I can outrun them. Tigers. I've also got here, if I can do this without falling off, my knife, you know, in case it comes to a one-on-one. I don't actually mind it too much when there's a lot of cars about and like lorries and buses. When it's quiet is when it's horrible. There's one here, I can hear it coming. It's not too bad. I feel like some sort of security. Oh. When you do get out the greenery, you get to these sort of little villages. Like there's loads of little shops. None of them really selling out other than like snacks though. It's a bit annoying and crap snacks. Fire there. Yeah, so looks like this village is already about to end and we're going back into the green. So I'm going to stop here, find out exactly how long it is. Yeah, this next section is about 20k of just greenery. So like no more little like houses on the side like this. Like you feel alright here. So I'll get through this 20k and have a brew on the other side, I think. It's only 20k, what's the worst that can happen? Just to give you an indication of what happens, that there, I'm not allowed to film at it, is like an army checkpoint. The other one's here for this side of the road, and basically they sort of register that you've gone through into the national park. So this is Bank National Park, which I'm in currently, home to just over 20 tigers, which is small compared to some of the other national parks, one which I've already tagged through which has like 80 in, but I mean it's still 20 odd tigers. So yeah, here it goes, 20 kilometers into the greenery. Silence. I'd love to get some drone footage, but I ain't stopping here. I'll try and find somewhere where I can stop and get some. Ah, thank God for that, we've made it. That's such a relief. I'd be lying if I said I enjoyed that. It's let's have a look. That's where we've come from. That's where we're going. Still no green, still no houses, it's all green, but I don't know, it might not be as bad, maybe. I'm gonna have a brew here though. Whew.
Nomor lihat mau kena pengalaman lagi lah tanggung.
Time to get the wheels turning again. I think we've got a total of 60k to do today to get out the national park areas, so to get out like the tiger essentially area. This is where we are. Look at that. Great views. Current settings, truck's just gone past, but it seems a bit quieter this road. Brilliant. There's another car here, like. Yeah, just done a little bit of climbing, up to 235 metres. Like, why is he beeping like that? There's nothing there. Yeah, that 100 metres of climbing, so only a tiny amount. Looks like we're about to descend. We're currently at 36 kilometres, so I think at like 40 something there's like a little village or town where I'll stop and have some lunch. It's wonderful, look at that, lovely bit of grass. And it's only a bit of grass, but still nice. Some nice trees. Yeah, just arriving into the town now. We're at 45k in. I think it's time for some lunch. And to find somewhere where they sell bread, which has been a bit of an issue up to now. But I'm hoping a whole town, not a big town, but let's hope. Found some bread. Got 5 buns. Got 5 buns for 75 rupees. I still have no idea what the exchange rate is, so I don't know if that's good or not. About to have a traditional Nepalese dish, a jambutti. Getting right in with the culture. What's on here? Get away from my bread, son. I was having a read yesterday of how many like deaths occur from tigers. How many deaths occur from tigers in Nepal? Probably should have checked this after, really. How many do you reckon, how often do you reckon someone gets killed? So, on average, I think it was saying it was 1 a week. There's 2 attacks a week, and on average, 1 a week dies. I don't know why I struggled to say that. But yeah, 2 attacks a week, 1 death a week on average, which is pretty, it's more than I thought it would be. Whoa, whoa, get back. Get back. I'll break your legs. I feel like this is a bit... Get out of here. It's not working. Well, I touch it. Right, I've eaten and I'm off again. I've only done 45k, it's like 2 o'clock. I don't really know where today's gone. I've just been faffing. But it doesn't really matter, I'm not in a rush, so I'm not that bothered. So, some monkeys there. Oh, yeah, so just chilling, cracking on. Right, well, I've just come through the last checkpoint of this particular area. That's the national park, pretty much like, or Bank National Park is pretty much complete now. But there's no like they say that the majority of the tigers are all in the national park. There's no fences, like, so there's nothing to stop them walking outside of it, kind of thing. So I still need to keep my eyes peeled, but it is a bit of a relief that I've not had a scrap of a tiger. So yeah. Jesus Christ, these hills. Got sweat in my eyes. I've hardly any water, so glad of it. I ran out halfway down, halfway up even. But last bit, I've thrown it all over my top. Wanker. It's not that far. Get to a shop. I'm going to delete about 5 litres. I've fully had enough today. I've just stopped here at this little spot, this village. Just going to have some food and a bit of a brew for now and chill out. So the guys here have said that I can camp here, which is good. So I'm going to go there next to my bike. So whenever this little shop closes, I'll just go to sleep. Not a bad day. Everyone's looking.
uncle, hi गर्नु.
These are my new friends.
Nepalese army.
Nepalese army.
Yeah.
Don't mess with this guy.
Yeah, gone.
It's a good spot. Paratha, like bread, potatoes, veg. Not sure. This stuff, milk rice, really good. It's not bad. It's a little bit spicy. Struggling a little bit, but it's going alright. Don't know if you can see me. I've just received what I can call a room upgrade. We're here in the back of the restaurant now. Toilets over there. Yeah, nice courtyard, let's call it. Beautiful. That's a day in the life. Backpacking Nepal. I hope you enjoyed it.